Good morning, children. In your previous class, you have studied about the fractions. Now today, we will study about the decimal numbers. Decimal numbers. See, in your textbook one table has been given there. You have to fill up the blank spaces given here. See, you have already know that in decimals the place values are ones, tens, hundreds and so on. This is the whole number part, and in decimal part the place values are tens, hundreds, thousands and so on. See, ones means 1, tens means 10, hundreds means 100, tens means 1 by 10, hundreds that is 1 by 100 and thousands that is 1 by 1000. See, here in first one, in whole number part that is 253 is there, and in decimal part 147 is there. Therefore, the number will be 253.47. See the second one, in whole number part 629 is there, and in decimal part 3 to 1 is there. Therefore, the number will be 629.321. See third one, here in hundreds place 0 is there, you can leave this. Therefore, whole number will be 43. The decimal part will be here 192, that is 43.192. See next one, the hundreds place is blank here. See the number here, that is 514.251. Therefore, in hundreds place 5 is there. Right here 5. Next number is 236.512. Here tens place is blank here. The tens place number is 3. Right here 3. Next 724.503. See, in hundreds place 7 is there, right 7. In ones place 4 is there, right here 4. And in hundreds place 0 is there, right here 0. Next tens place is blank, and tenths place is blank, and thousands place is blank here. In tens place 1 is there, and in the tenths place 3 is there, and in thousands place 6 is there. That is 614.326. Last one is hundreds place 0 is there. You can leave here 0. Whole number is 10 here. Point, the decimal part is 530. 10.530. See children, in the table we wrote the decimal numbers given here, given the place value expansion. Now we can do the reverse here, that is given the number you can write the expanded form. We will see one example here. Example, if the number is 253.417, write this in the expanded form. You can write it as 2 into here, this is the whole number part and this is the decimal part. Here 2 is in hundreds place, 2 into 100 plus 5 into 5 is in tens place, 5 into 10 plus 3 is in ones place, 3 into 1 plus 4 is in tens place, that is 4 into 1 by 10 plus 1 is in 100 into 1 by 100 plus 7 is in thousands place, that is 7 into 1 by 1000. Take another example. 37.563. Now write this in the expanded form. That is 3 into, here 3 is in a tens place, 3 into 10 plus 7 into 1, 7 is in ones place, plus 5 into 1 by 10. 5 is in tens place. Plus 6 into 1 by 100 plus 3 into 1 by 1000. Next children. Next children, we will study about the comparing the decimal numbers. Comparing decimal numbers. Take one example here. Compare 35.63 and 35.67. Here first compare the whole number part. Here children, both the whole numbers are equal here. And now you compare the tens place here. That is, both are 6 here in tens place. Both are 6. Now you compare the hundreds place by comparing the hundreds place. Here 3 is less than 7. Therefore 35.63 is less than 35.67. Take another example. Compare 19.36 and 29.36. Now by comparing the whole number, here you compare the whole number. By comparing the whole number, here in first one 19 is there, in second one 29. Here 19 is less than 29. Therefore 19.36 is less than 29.36. See children, by converting the lower units of money, length and weight to their higher units, we are required to use the decimals. While converting lower units of money, length and weight to their higher units, we are required to use decimals. See, for example, 3 paise. Convert this in decimals. You can write this as rupees 3 by 100. That is equals to rupees. Here in numerator whole number is there 3. 2 zeros are there. After 2 digits you give the decimal point here. Here only 1 digit is there. Add 1 more 0 here. That is 0.03. Rupees 0.03. Take another example. 5 gram. You convert this into decimal form. That is 5 gram equals to 5 by 1000 kg. Here in denominator 3 zeros are there. In numerator 5 is there. Here after 3 digits give the decimal point. Already 1 digit is there here. Add 2 more zeros here. That is 0.005 kg. Next example. 7 centimeter you convert into decimals. You can write it as 7 by 100 meter. That is, here 7 and 2 zeros are there. After 2 digits give the decimal point. That is 0.07 meter. Understood, children? We can convert the units of money, length and weight to their higher units by using the decimals. Now we will study about the addition of decimals. Take one example. Add 21.36 and 37.35. Add now. 21.36 plus 37.35. First to add the decimal part. 6 plus 5, that is 11. Here 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. Put the decimal point. 1 plus 7, 8. 2 plus 3, 5. That is 58.71. Next we will do the subtraction of decimals. Take one example. Subtract 29.35 minus 4.56. Right here 29.35 minus, here in whole number 4 is there, right here 4.56. Now you subtract. First subtract the decimal part. 5 minus 6 you can't subtract, it becomes 15. 15 minus 6, 9. 3 becomes 2. 2 minus 5 you can't subtract, that is 12 minus 5. That is 7. 9 becomes 8. 8 minus 4, 4. Now 2. That is 24.79. Now we will solve the exercise, children. Exercise point 2.5. In this first one, which is greater? Which is greater? First one, 0.5 or 0.05. Here, by comparing whole number, 0 equals to 0. Therefore, by comparing the tens place digit, here in tens place 5 is there and here 0 is there. 5 is greater than 0. Therefore, 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Second one, 0.7 or 0.5. Here, children, by comparing whole number, first you compare the whole number here. By comparing whole number, 0 equals to 0. Now, by comparing the tens place, digit, here 7 is greater than 5. Therefore, 0.7 is greater than 0.5. Next, we will see the second main. Here in first main still sums are there. You solve those yourself. Express as rupees using decimals. First one, 7 paise. 7 paise, you have to express this in a rupees. See children, we know that rupees 1 equals to 100 paise. Therefore, 1 paise equals to rupees 1 by 100. Therefore, 7 paise equals to rupees 7 by 100. That is, rupees, express this in a decimal. 7, here 2 zeros are there. After 2 digits, already 1 digit is there here. Add one more 0, 0.07. That is rupees 0.07. Second one, 7 rupees 7 paise. See children, we know that rupees 1 equals to 100 paise. Therefore, 1 paise equals to rupees 1 by 100. 7 rupees 7 paise equals to rupees 7 plus, write this in rupees form, rupees 7 by 100. That is equals to rupees 7 plus rupees, express this in a decimal form. Right here 7, after 2 digits give the decimal point here, 0.07. Now you add both here. Right here 7 plus 0.07. You can add 2 zeros here. Now you add 7 here, 0.7. So rupees 7.07. Next, third main first one. Express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. Meter and kilometer. Here we know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 1 centimeter equals to 1 by 100 meter. Similarly, 5 centimeter equals to 5 by 100 meter. That is 0.05 meter. Right here 5. 2 zeros are there. After 2 digits give the decimal point. That is 0.05 meter. See, now you have to convert this in again kilometers. That is, we know now 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. 1 meter equals to 1 by 1000 kilometer. 1 meter equals to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Therefore, 0.05 meter equals to 0.05 by 1000 kilometer. Now express this in a decimal form. See children, here in decimal part 05 is there. Right here 05. Here 3 zeros are there. Again you have to add 3 more zeros here. That is 0.00005 kilometer.